Hey firsties, let's do our daily drill sounds today. So we're gonna start with our digraphs. Remember, a digraph is two consonants, one sound. That's a digraph. Do you remember which digraph always goes at the beginning of a word? You're right, WH, and we usually see this a lot in question words, like who, what, when, where, why, and which. And which digraph always comes at the end? Yep, CK. It comes at the end of the word after a short vowel that's one syllable. So that's our rule for that. Let's go ahead and do our digraphs. Say WH, whistle what? Who, what, when, where, why, and which. SH, ship, shh. CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb, th. Tongue on the teeth. CK, sock. Nice. Now let's move on to our glued sounds. Remember when we tap a glued sound, we do it with two fingers, like little bunny foo foo, right? Remember that? Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Here we go. Say A-N-G, thang, ang. U-N-G, lung, ung. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-G, song, on. A-L-L, ball, all. A-N, fan, an. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-K, honk, onk. A-N, ham, am. U-N-K, junk, unk. Good. Now let's say them fluently. Ready? Ang, ong, ink, ong, all, an, ank, ing, onk, am, unk. Now let's move on to our long vowels. Remember, the sneaky E is going to pinch that vowel. So this stands for vowel, consonant, and that sneaky E that's going to make this vowel say its name. So it's going to have a macron. Say macron, long vowel. Yes, so these are all going to make the long sound. Here we go. Say long E, Pete, E, and make your macron. Long A, safe, A. Long I, pine, I. Long O, home, O. Long U, mule, U. Good. Now let's say them fluently. E, A, I, O, U. Let's do our R controlled vowels. Remember, the R is bossy, so we hear the R most of the time. Okay, so we're gonna do our R controlled vowels. Here we go. Say, we're gonna drive that car. Ready? Say A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. Say E-R, her, or her, yeah. Say I-R, bird, and U-R, burn, Okay, so let's say those nice and fluently. Here we go. Ready? Say R, or, Nice job. Those are our R control vowels. Let's go to our vowel teams now. I don't know if you shared this with your family, but with the vowel teams, like when we see it in the row, I'm going to try to make it a little bit bigger for you firsties. Perfecto. When we see it in the row, if it's first, that usually means like it's in the middle or the beginning of the word. And if the team is last in the row, that usually means it comes at the end of the word, correct? All right, so let's say it. Ready? Say A-I, bait, A. A-Y, play, A. E-E, jeep, E. Beep, beep. E-A, eat, E. E-Y, key, E. Say O-I, coin, oi. O-Y, boy, oi. all my boys? All right. Say O-A, boat, O. O-E, toe-o. Say O-W, let me get my hands out. Say O-W, snow, O. And O-W, plow, ow. Say O-U, trout, ow. And O-U, soup, ooh. Say O-O, school, ooh. O-O, book, U-E, blue, ooh. U-E, rescue you. Say A-U, August, aw. A-W, saw, ah. Let's try to say them fluently. Ready? Here we go. A, E, E, E. Oi, oi. O, O, ow. Ooh, ow. Ooh, You, ooh. Aw, aw. Nice job on your vowel teams. Now let's do our heart words. Are you ready? I'm just going to hold them up. You say it. Here we go. From, over. Are, when. Who, into. I, and when I stands alone and wants to be a teenager. Down. Do, does. Why, by, my, try. Or, for. Is, his. Any, many. Where, there, here. Say, says. As, has. We, he, she, be, me. Some come. Would, could, should. O-U-L-D. Would, could, should. You, your. How, now. Put. Number. They. If you can spell the, then you can spell they. Just add a Y and call it a day. Each. Oops. And. See. Of. What. Was. Said. Also. To. Have. Were. One. Very. Her. Between. To. The. To. And this to means also. T-O-O. Also. All right, let's do these heart words. Oh, my birthday crown. Look at it. Let me put it back on. Can't forget all my birthday friends right now. All right. There. This is the possessive there. Remember, you own it. Out. Water. Work. Word. Own. Write. And this kind of write is what you do with your pencil. I write on the paper. Ben. First. None. Hour. Month. Little. Nothing. Want. Being. Look. About. Called. Good. New. People. P-E-O-P-L-E, people, people. P-E-O-P-L-E, people's what that spells. Friend, and I know how to spell this because I am a friend to the end. You see the word end there? So I just say I am a friend to the end, and then I put my beginning blend for friend. Mr., Mrs., male, female, boy, girl, right? Male, female, so Mr., Mrs. Day, may, way. Other, another. Thank you for doing drill sounds with me. I hope you like this video a little better because I've noticed the last video, it was my first time. I didn't know what I was doing, so I wanted to try again. So hopefully you can see my cards better this time. Love you. Please, please, please read and write every day. First season will make your brain grow. And please thank your families for everything they are doing for you and make sure you listen to them and get your work done. All right. Love you.